Hi, this is Lorie from the Zipper Connection, and we're going to work on shortening a zipper. This time I'm going to shorten a number 5 zipper. The first video was to shorten a number 10, which is the heaviest weight zipper. This is a number 5. It's a little lighter weight, and there are a couple of other ways that you can shorten these. I start the same way by marking my chalk line exactly where I want that to be, and this one we're going to make 26. Put a little chalk mark there. I put the slider up to that chalk mark, and then I cut in between the teeth, giving myself about an inch above the chalk mark. And these teeth are a lot lighter weight, so what I find the easiest on these is to take my wire cutters and just snip the end of the tooth off. And that's the part that goes beyond the zipper tape. If you cut it back further, you're going to cut the zipper tape and then the zipper will fray. So you want to cut just the part of the tooth that is beyond the zipper tape. And with this you have to be a little bit careful because they can really fly. Now that one I probably cut the zipper tape. Another way that you can do this is kind of come in on an angle and just snip it that way. It's a U-shaped piece, the tooth is, and if you cut right here or here on that U-shaped piece, then the whole tooth will fall off. So that's what I'm doing here by going in on an angle so I get just one tooth, and then snip that, and then it falls right off then. And then these I can go a lot faster. They're a lot lighter weight than the number 10, so they come off pretty easily. And again, like the number 10, you go a few teeth beyond your chalk mark so that by the time you get the stop on it, the completed zipper goes up to that chalk mark. Okay. Now with this, I would do the same as before. Take the top stop off what you had previously cut off and just apply that there, and then you've shortened that zipper. So the main difference between the number 10 and the number 5 is that it's a little bit easier, and if you go in and on an angle and snip the teeth off one by one, that works real well. The number 10, the teeth are much heavier gauge, and so what you have to do is, with the wire cutters, open up that U-shaped piece, and then it'll just pull off.